Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you use it once in the lifetime and whiten your yellow teeth from first use. It is super effective in whitening yellow teeth and get rid of plaque. It's going to fall on its own without causing any side effects to the enamel, and it will make your teeth shine like crystals, like pearls, and it's going to be effective from first use. It is amazingly effective, my friends, and it works 100%. The first ingredient we need to prepare this mouthwash. It's a mouthwash that you will wash your mouth with it, and it's going to whiten your yellow teeth and turn it to pearl white from first use. So the first ingredient we need to prepare this remedy is 1 teaspoon of sea salt, just regular table sea salt or any salt available for you. Add 1 teaspoon. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and don't use baking powder in this, use baking soda, and mix well the ingredients like so. Now add on it hot boiling water, and don't worry, we're not gonna use it with the hot boiling water. We're going to use it while it's getting warm. Stir very well. Mix well all the ingredients like so. Then we need 1 lemon. Cut it in half and squeeze 1 fresh lemon. Stir very well like so. It's going to bubble and it's going to be active. Then we need to add a magical ingredient that will get your teeth shine like crystals. It's a sweet almond oil. Add 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil. Stir very well like so. Now my friends, our mouthwash is ready. Try to use it in the after you eat, in the night before you sleep, and wash your mouth with this mouthwash. It's going to whiten your teeth and clean it deeply. It is super effective in removing teeth plaque and any kind of excess on your teeth, and it's going to whiten the enamel and will get it to shine like pearls. With this remedy works 100%. Use it once a lifetime and you will get teeth whitening at home. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.